In the today Asian session, trading is unfolding quietly as speculators are awaiting US jobs data. Today, the US is going to reveal the weekly initial jobless claims report. Non-farm payroll data for August is due on Friday. Of course, these reports are of high importance as investors will surely factor them in when picking up a trading strategy. Let's analyze what's going on Forex. On Thursday, the US dollar index is trading near multi-week lows amid weak ADP data. The full version of the report will be published today. This economic data is expected to influence the Fed's decision on the time of reducing the QE program. In turn, the possible early tapering of asset purchases will affect the US dollar and the stock market. Now the US dollar index is trading at 92.40 with the prospects of a slight decline to 92.20 ahead of the release of ADP and weekly jobless claims reports. How will the US dollar react to these reports? At the moment, it's difficult to say as the outlook for the labor market is not so bright. If negative forecasts come true, the greenback may decline even deeper. The yen continues to confuse traders with the false movements in both directions. Yesterday, an upper spike was formed on the chart, which could mean an unsuccessful attempt to grow to the target level of 110.62, which we discussed earlier. Yet, the yen failed to sustain an upward movement and fell sharply to the current level of 110. What do analysts think about this situation? They believe that the upcoming US labor data is likely to be weak and the stock market will extend hefty losses. The dollar-yen pair may drop as well as the target level of 109.20, which is the low of June 8 of this year. The trajectory of the Australian dollar is more predictable. On Wednesday, the Aussie successfully reached the balance line and consolidated above the level of 0.7365. Now the nearest target is the level of 0.7450. However, before that, a small technical correction is possible, which has already begun. Yet, it may not last very long. Today and tomorrow trading is going to unfold briskly, but only in the afternoon, after the publication of the labor market data. If you wanted to always stay up to date with the fresh market news, then do not miss our video reviews. We wish you profitable deals and see you on our channel with a new video in a couple of hours.